In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Shein order effortlessly. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a new outfit or need to keep tabs on a special gift, tracking your order can alleviate any anxiety about its arrival. With just a few simple steps, you'll know exactly where your package is and when you can expect it to reach your doorstep. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shein account. Whether you're using the app on your smartphone or the website on your computer, make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you're the kind of person who tends to forget passwords, you might want to consider having them securely saved in a password manager. This will make logging in a breeze. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your account dashboard. Our next stop is the My Orders section. Navigate to this area from either the main menu or somewhere near the top of the page, depending on which platform you're using, app or web. Think of My Orders as your personal hub of all things shipping related. This is where you'll find all the orders you've made, each one listed neatly. Now comes the exciting part, selecting the order you want to track. Scroll through your list of past and present orders until you find the one you're interested in. You might remember the specific date you placed the order or recognize it by the main item you bought. Click on it to get an overview of the order details. Once you're inside the order details, look for the option that says Track Order. Here you'll get a detailed overview of your shipment status. Thanks to Shein's partnership with its carriers, it's like having a personal tour guide taking you through each step of your package's journey. You can see if it's still being processed, has left the warehouse, or is en route to your location. In addition to the status updates, you'll also find the all-important tracking number. This string of numbers is your package's personal identifier throughout its journey. Go ahead and copy this tracking number. Most platforms will allow you to do this easily by selecting it and choosing the copy option. Having this number is crucial if you want to check the progress directly through the carrier's website for even more detailed updates. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly track your Shein order and stay updated on precisely where it is and when it will arrive at your doorstep. Hopefully, this tutorial has been helpful and you're now confident in tracking your future orders with ease. Happy shopping, and may all your packages arrive swiftly.